Hello and welcome to Styck. Styck is a cloud-based software product for the Australian construction industry. In this video, we're going to look at 3 core tools every subcontractor needs to be well organized, to get ahead, and most importantly, take financial control of your projects. And I'm going to show you how to do it using Styck. So the first tool we're going to look at is communications. Now, communications are things we can do through emails, Word docs, etc. The important thing is that you are actually communicating information back to the builders and clients. And we say communications, we're talking about proper documentation that can be provided and recalled upon, things like RFIs, notice of delays, and site instructions. Now within Styck, we have a communications, which has our schedule list here. And to create a new communication, we're just clicking on new. So the first thing we're going to do is select the type of communication this is. So it could be an RFI, sending something about our shop drawings, etc. But today we're going to do a notice of delay. So we're going to send a notice of delay because we've experienced some bad weather and we just want the builder to know that we have been delayed by elements out of our control, just so we're not responsible down the track. We could do the same thing. We've been held up by other trades, etc. So we're just going to select a contact there. We could select add a new one very quickly as well while we're at it. But we're just going to select a contact company and a contact person. And then we're going to put in a subject line. And we're just going to put in here, delay due to bad weather. Now that'd be like working as a subject line for our email, for example. And then we're just going to put our body of text in. Now this body section, we can use formatting, we can add attachments, like you might want to put a link in there to the, for example, the BOM website where they can actually go to the dates where you've been delayed just to check. And yeah, well, so that's just our body of our document there. We can also add attachments here. So we can click on that and we can drag and drop any communications attachments that we want. So yeah, so that will be sent with our document as well. And then we've got here, we can click to send now, or we can untick that. So by unticking that, we're just going to save this as a draft. So we might be doing a notice of delay, but we want someone else to check it first before sending. So you can actually just save it as a draft. But today we're just going to go ahead and send it. So we're clicking create and send. We're getting our pop up here just to confirm. And once we're confirmed, it's gone. So that's how quick it is to do a proper notice of delay within Styck. Now, to actually view that, we can click on here on Open PDF here, and there you go. There's our nice and easy documentation sent off to the builder, and we've informed them of that notice of delay. So a really important tool to make sure we are communicating back and forth, just to have that clear, well-organized job site. The next core tool is recording variations. So if variations are taking place, it means we've got additional costs that we want to be able to charge the client for, and we want to make sure we can record that easily and quite quickly, as obviously it's very important to us, and we don't want to risk losing money through lost variations. You know, additional work's taken on site, we're not recording that properly, it means we're losing money. Okay, so within Styck, we have our variation schedule and we can click on new variation. When we do that, we can, same as the communications, we can enter our contact details. We can select a reason for the variation, whether it's additional works or a change in scope, whatever that reason is. We can put a subject line in that we'd be able to send, and then we've got that variation body down here. So that's just putting all the information of what the variation is about, just giving that reason for why we're charging this additional cost. Below that, we can put our amount in for the variation. And again, we've got that ability to attach. So we can just click on that and we can add an attachment. This one has a variation order that we're going to add. That'll be sent with our variation when we send that to the client. And now we can tick to send it, and we just go save, confirm that we're sending it, and it's sent. So that has now gone to the client, so ready for them to be able to review and process. Tool number 3 is progress claims. So the recording and sending of progress claims is a very important tool, especially on our commercial projects. If you're not using a system to do it like Excel, it can be quite risky. We might be losing money because if there's a back and forth exchange that we're missing out on, or our variations and everything's not adding up, we are at risk. Same with retention tracking. So yeah, we just got to be cautious with our progress claims. Here, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do a progress claim through Styck. On the screen here, our progress claim screen, we've got our list of previous progress claims. I'm just going to click on new. So to create a progress claim, I'm just selecting a contact and I'm entering here just a claim number. So I'm just entering the latest number about this claim, which is 9 for this one. I'm entering some claim dates here, just the start and end date of that claiming period, and putting in the date that we're actually raising and submitting this progress claim to our client. So again, yeah, especially in that commercial environment, but if the job is going for a length of time, we want to be able to progressively claim to make sure we are getting progressively paid for our projects. On the right-hand side there, we've got our claim summary showing our contract and variations value and our total, and just what we've claimed to date, previously claimed, and the value of this claim. We'll also go below that, the retention tracking as well, extremely important because we want to make sure that we can claim for that money later, and we don't want to lose sight of that. And below that, we've just got a breakdown. We've got our original contract works there, where we can enter just a percentage that we're claiming for this month, or and we could also there we could have just put a dollar value in there. Or we could also enter a balance amount. So if we wanted to leave a certain amount to be remaining to claim for later on, we could enter that too. So just being able to nicely insert those percentages nice and easy. And below that, we've got our variations, including that variation we just raised, nice and easily listed there. So we can just go ahead there and claim for that variation. So now that we've done that, we can check our summary to see if we're happy with all the amounts that we've put in. And once we are happy with that, we can just go create claim and then click confirm and send now. And that's sent that off to the client for review. Extremely fast and easy to do, and and very safely recorded as well. And then I click on open PDF there just to show you what we've actually sent there to clients. So just a nice, easy, compliant progress claim that we've been able to submit. So that concludes this video on 3 core tools. I thank you for your time. I hope you got something out of it. And please reach out if you want more information. Styck is a cloud-based product that is extremely affordable. It's built for the Australian industry and handles all your requirements. So please get in touch.